Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an announcement. I'm leaving. You heard me. I'm leaving. And I feel very emotional about it because I don't know when I'm coming back, if ever. I gotcha. Okay, I am leaving, but I'm coming back, okay? Some of you are over there going, yes. No, I'm not leaving for good. I'm leaving for Scotland today, okay? And I'm pretty sure I made an announcement maybe a few weeks ago that I was leaving for Scotland, but I told Winnie and Dawn that the other day, and they're like, wait, what? Winnie was like, you didn't tell us, and I thought that I did, because I tell them everything, but I guess I just forgot to mention it, because you guys, when I travel, I usually don't really think about it much until like right before time to go. I've actually been packed all week, and I'm really excited. We've been to Scotland one time, and that was when we went to Paris, and then we took one of those super fast trains over to Edinburgh, however you say it. But anyway, we went there and it was just like a little day trip, and we, you know, walked around and looked at things. And oh, sorry you guys, my nose is running. I don't have a tissue. But anyway, we went for like a day, and Keith is 62% Scottish, and his last name, actually his Scottish name is Lamont, and we go by Lamon, but somehow it got changed over the years. And but yeah, he has been wanting to go and explore the countryside and go to all these different places. So we're gonna go. We're gonna be gone about, I think, 10 days. So I'm not gonna vlog. I'm gonna take tons of pictures, and I will make a video out of the pictures, but I don't want to not be in the moment every single time. And also, my vlogs, no matter where I go, like I can go to Greece, Santorini, Spain, all these places, and I just don't get a lot of views on my vlogs. So when I come back, I will come back and tell you guys about the trip and do a little video, you know, with pictures, because I'm going to take tons of pictures, but I'm not going to vlog. Yeah, I'm just not going to. I'm super excited, and I couldn't leave without saying bye. And I'm dressed for comfort. For today, I'm just wearing a Lululemon top and a pair of leggings. And then I'm bringing my Barefoot Dreams sweater, because it'll be all cozy on the plane. And I never travel with luxury. I took all my gold off. I put on, well, I did wear this because I wanted to wear something nice. My David Yurman bracelet that I bought myself, and I have not really told you guys about it, but I bought this for myself for my birthday along with my slouchy bag. So this is my bracelet stack. I'm wearing nice jewelry, but not any of my gold. I even took my wedding set off. This little ring, it's a diamond ring that was my mom's, and then this was her band. And yeah, I would hate for that to be taken, but I feel safer with it than my regular set. And I've got on a pair of sterling silver earrings that I've had for years. So I travel very low key and comfortable. And then my bag for the entire time I'm there is going to be my beautiful Thacker bag that I have literally had for probably about 10 years. I bought it when we first moved in this house about 10 years ago off QVC, and I'll link it if I can find it. I don't even know if they still sell them. I had a couple other ones, but I sold them. But this is one of my favorite bum bags, even over my Louis, because of the size. It's got the back zipper, and it's squishy and soft, and I can wear it across my chest, and I won't feel, you know, concerned. I don't ever like to travel and look showy or draw attention to myself. So yeah, this is my bag, my outfit, my jewelry, all low-key, and it's gonna be cool there. So I am bringing a kind of a mid-weight jacket or coat, and we've packed for hiking, so I've got some hiking boots, and yeah, I'm ready, you guys. So Keith's down there taking a nap. We will fly out of Atlanta. Not sure how long the trip is. I'm gonna say about 8 or 9 hours. We fly out at 10 p.m. and I am going to sleep the entire time. And then hopefully I'll just wake up and there we'll be in Scotland. So I'm super excited, you guys. I'll miss you guys. It's an outlet for me to come up here and talk to you guys, share with you things that I love. And I was encouraged today because I gained a few subscribers, you guys. But I'm always afraid to look because I've been telling you about this issue. And someone said, you need to contact, it was Candy, said you need to contact Facebook. Well, I will when I get back. I've been super busy lately helping my son move and keeping the baby a lot. And I just haven't had time for anything. But when I come back, I hope that I feel rested, renewed, invigorated. And I'm going to be ready to paint again. I'm going to take some watercolors with me. And I'll be putting out probably 1 video a week. If I do 2, it'll be a bonus. But I'm not going to stress. But I do love you guys. You're a huge part of my life. And many of you, of course, I've never met you. But just to see your name in, you know, my comment section that I'm familiar with, it warms my heart. And I really do love you guys so much. Thank you for your support over the years. And if you are watching and you're not subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. It would help me out a lot. But you guys, I told you I was going to keep holding up this sign. I'm going to keep bringing this sign out till you're sick of seeing it until we hit 7K. All right? So just do what the sign says. Do what the sign says and everybody will be okay. Nobody will get hurt. Oh my gosh, but I'm going to miss my family. I hate to leave baby Drew. I didn't get to see my granddaughters before I left. I don't get to see them as often as I would like to. I am planning on making a huge effort this summer to, you know, spend some time with them. And you guys, family, friends and family is what is most important in life. And I acknowledge that. I love my family. I've missed my mom terribly this week. The talks we used to have and how she always was there for me. And I'm going to be gone during Mother's Day. I think we're actually coming back. That's right. Is it the 11th? Anyway, we're coming back on Mother's Day. And I'll be over in Scotland during my birthday and my sister's birthday, which is Saturday. So I told her we'll celebrate when I get back and we'll go out and have some fun. But yeah, I will be spending my birthday in Scotland. And thank you all so much for the birthday wishes so far. My birthday's on the 8th, May the 8th. And yeah, I just really appreciate you guys, and I just want you to know that. And I appreciate your support. You know, and even though I always say I never felt like I was going to be a big YouTuber, and I don't, and I never really aspired to do that, I always had aspirations to hit 10,000. And then I thought, I'll feel like a success. But I shouldn't really put a number on it. I should wake up every day, if I do my best in life and I treat people well, that I feel like a success. A successful person is someone who's loved, who loves others, who tries their best not to do wrong. I mean, I know we all, you know, have our shortcomings, but I do try to be my very best self every single day. So before I start getting off on a tangent, I just wanted to tell you guys where I was going. I might try to do a live while I'm there, just like on location, just like short, you know, a quick little live or two. I might try to do something like that. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers, to children, fur babies, adopted babies, anybody that you mother. I felt like, you know, at the end of my mom's life, I mothered my mother, and that was one of my greatest blessings in life. So happy Mother's Day to everybody. Peace.